Takoyaki, a traditional Japanese street vendor food since 1935. Its rich heritage matches its rich taste as this ocean snack soared in popularity throughout the land of the rising sun. I can teach you how to create this bowl of happiness. Not at a Michelin star level, but not a kitchen nightmare level either. It'll be... good enough. To begin with, make sure you have all your ingredients, obviously. These will include salt, octopus, spring onion, leek, flour, egg, dashi powder, water, and your fish flakes, mayonnaise and okonomi for topping. Start by chopping your leek and onion into small pieces. Yes, right now you are seeing me chop octopus, but that is because I didn't hit record for the greens. Sue me. When that's done, cut up your octopus. I recommend wearing gloves for this because it is the worst texture in the world. Not quite liquid, not quite solid either. It's gross. If you're lonely like me and cooking for one, I'd still recommend chopping several octopus. They shrivel up like a wang on a cold day as soon as they hit that pan. But before wang shriveling, oil your pan and turn it onto a low heat. Just make sure you have enough oil, unlike me. Once your pan is finally oiled and heated, and your hair has been thoroughly pulled out, it's time to cook your octopus. Watch as it shrivels and turns purple before your very eyes. Let's speed this up. When your octopus is mostly cooked, add your greens to the pan to soften. Not sure if it's cooked? Then just keep cooking until you're sure. Still not sure? Well, it'll turn black eventually. When your filling is cooked and pushed to the side to cool, you can start on your batter. Add your flour, egg, salt, dashi powder and water before starting to mix together. A whisk would be ideal, but I don't have one of those, so a fork will work just as well. And no, I don't have measuring cups either, so I just keep adding until I have a pancake-like batter that's enough to feed my fat ass. Once you're happy with your mix and there's no or few lumps, pour in your filling and mix together. You can now heat your takoyaki pan. In my case, it's a mini takoyaki pan. God bless eBay. And again, make sure you have oil. Ugh. Spoon your filling into each circle of the heated pan. It doesn't matter if it overflows, since it should just tuck away later when you turn them. When you do turn them, make sure the batter on the bottom is cooked enough or you'll end up like my dumb ass here. Agonising minutes later, when they've turned, fill in the empty halves with more mixture. Then turn the half-cooked bits so they're sitting on top. Then give up and take out the cooked halves to pour the mixture in. Yeah, that would have probably been better to begin with. When you're certain the base is cooked, you can start rolling them around in the pan like the ball in an old school mouse. Hey, if you know, then you know. When you're happy with the colour, you can then plate them up and use up the last of your mix. Be sure to get a nice giant one at the end. And try not to burn yourself on the heat of the pan. That fucker hurts. Once you've nursed your burns and bald spots, you can now add your finishing touches. So slap on your okonomi sauce, Japanese mayonnaise, and bonito flakes. And there you have it. The takoyaki is complete and the suffering has ended. Oh wait, the dishes. Damn it!